Hey, welcome back to the new Spoonful, guys. As you can see, it's a bit more of a Christmassy holiday special. So we're gonna be making mulled wine today, as you can see by the board. So let's get to it. Yeah, mulled wine. What do you need to know about it? It's wine, it has spices and citrus. That's it. Okay, see you next video. No, okay, I'm joking. So here it goes. You're gonna need your citruses and your spices. For citruses we have orange and lemon. For spices you have cinnamon sticks, vanilla pod, nutmeg, star anise, cardamom pods, and cloves to grate. I'm not a big fan of star anise, so this recipe I'm gonna take it out. I don't like the anisey flavor, but if you like it, you can keep it to the pegel there. Let's first start chopping your citruses. So chop them up in slices, put them in a pot. Next up, you put your cinnamon sticks. I'll go for 2 and break them up so they have more flavor going out into the wine. Then add your cloves. Cardamom pods, you need to crush them to have they open the pods. For vanilla pod, you have to cut it in half from the end of the stem, then scrape out the vanilla seeds, drop them into the pot with the vanilla pod itself, and go and grind some nutmeg. Oh, I almost forgot, and some sugar, of course. Roughly 150 to 100 grams, I would say. Well, in this case, I'll go for 2 bottles. I'll say 150 grams is more than enough for sweetener flavor. When it comes to wine, a good question is, what kind of wine can you use for mulled wine? That's a good question, and the answer is not a delicate one, but a bold wine. So don't go for grapes like Pinot Noir or Gamay. They're too soft and delicate, and they'll be just overpowered by all the spices. You can go for Syrah, Merlot, so yeah, bold, strong wines. And no matter where from the world, like you can go French, Italian, German, you name it. You just go crazy with that. So when it's all done, you have to get your bottles. I went for 2 bottles of Syrah from France, pull it in a pot, bring it up there into the heat, and simmer it for a bit. So after 15 to 20 minutes of simmering, turn the heat off, but still leave everything in the pot, so all the flavors can kind of get to know each other slowly. Then you can pour it yourself a cup and start drinking it. Nice and warm feeling. Feels very Christmassy. Oh yeah, and when you make the wine, it smells a little Christmassy at home. So funny thing is that spicing wine been done since Roman Empire. So when Roman soldiers were walking around Europe, they would bring wine and spices. So they brought this tradition all over Europe. In Germany, they call it glue wine, where they make kind of the same what I did right now. But also sometimes add a bit of a shot of something else, like brandy or rum. They also have it in Scandinavia, where they call it glögg, I think. I'll just put the word there. So drop your phone, make this mulled wine, and go spend time with your family and friends, because that's how this holiday should be celebrated. See you in the next one!